Ever found yourself in a prickly situation trying to thread a sewing machine needle? Well, worry no more. Now threading a needle will be as easy as pie, minus the sweet tooth. First, ensure you're equipped with proper lighting. It's all about seeing things clearly, right? Then use a white background to make the eye of the needle pop. No more hide and seek with that pesky little hole. Remember to cut your thread at an angle with sharp scissors. This creates a clean bevel that will glide through the eye of the needle like a hot knife through butter. Now here's a pro tip: moisten the eye of the needle or the tip of the thread with water. It's the lubrication your needle threading game has been missing, and if all else fails, there's always the needle threader, our unsung hero. It's like having your very own mini assistant. So there you have it. No more super frustrating needle threading sessions. And remember, practice makes perfect, so keep at it. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and informative videos. And now, here's a question for you. What's the funniest thing you've ever sewn? Share your stories in the comments below.